everyone, Nico here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, today we'll be showing how to get saved passwords of your connected Wi-Fi. Now, this is used only for educational purposes, so if anything else happens, I'm not responsible. Okay, now you don't need your Wi-Fi to be connected. First of all, if you are connected also, it's not a problem, but those who don't have Wi-Fi, don't worry. Mine is also disconnected, so let's jump right into it. First, take command prompt or type cmd in the search bar and right click the command prompt and run it in administrator. Click yes. Okay, now here we'll type netsh wlan show profile. You don't have to enter any semicolon or do anything like that. You just have to type in netsh wlan show profile. Now what will this do is it will show all the Wi-Fi profiles which you have connected to. So I have connected to, I think, pretty much 7 or 8 Wi-Fi, I think. Let's check out. Okay, now this is all these are your Wi-Fi names which you are connected to. So for now I'm taking the iPhone, the Wi-Fi down here. So you have to type in the same command and copy this profile. Make sure you enter all the upper cases and the lower cases correctly. If you don't, then it won't recognize and you won't get the password. Show profile, then the profile name, then type key equal to clear. Sorry. So in netsh wlan show profile iPhone key is equal to clear. Hit enter. Now you should be looking for a profile info, a security setting called key content. This is profile information, connectivity, security settings. Yes. Now the last one, key content. This is your Wi-Fi password. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.